Good morning, student. This is Rajesh, and welcome back to the DSS online classes. Dear student, today I am going to start Geography chapter 3, Our Changing Earth. हमारी बदलती धरती. It's a very important topic, and it is related to the chapter 2, which we already discussed, especially interior part of the earth. So, as the name suggested, our changing earth. So, no doubt, if earth changes day by day, or year by year, or decade by decade, then some factor must be work behind this one. So, what is the factor behind it which cause the changing of our earth? Today we are going to discuss this one. But before, actually when you saw the video, we divide, actually blackboard is so large and I am trying to zoom each and every word which I written on the blackboard. So that is why I make this video in the two form. The number one, the first part here, and we slide our camera to see you the second part. That is the another part. Now I am going to tell you the moment of lithospheric eggs. अभी है क्या? अचानक हमने स्टार्ट किया मोमेंट ऑफ लिथोस्फेरिक एग. थोड़ा सा और हम जानते हैं. So as I said, and your chapter name suggested our changing earth, and I already told you that if our changing earth is changing, so no doubt some factor work behind this one. So generally we are the part of lithosphere. हम लोग lithosphere के ऊपर है, surface of the earth means on surface of the earth. So we saw only the external factor which cause the changes of earth. For example, when rain is coming on the surface of the earth, it erodes the soil and deposit at a place. It may be changes of the earth. अभी आप न्यूज में देख रहे होंगे, उत्तराखंड देख रहे होंगे या हिली एरियाज में देख रहे होंगे, लैंडस्लाइड हो रहे हैं. तो चेंजिंग ऑफ द अर्थ ये आपको सरफेस पे नजर आती है. बट सिर्फ एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर ही नहीं है, इंटरनल फैक्टर भी है. So as I told you in chapter 2, interior part of the earth, that the surface of the earth where we live, the crust, our earth divided into 3 concentric layers, crust, mantle and core. आप उस वीडियो के ऊपर आपके पास स्टोर होगा, उसको भी फिर देख सकते हो, और आपने इस पे एक्टिविटी भी परफॉर्म की है तो ज़्यादा समझ में आने वाला है. So crust is the thinnest layer of earth which is 35 km from the surface of the earth, and it can be divided into two major forms, that is the continental crust and the oceanic crust. Okay, so all of this you know it better. So the lithosphere, it is the part of crust where the live, जहाँ हम रहते हैं lithosphere में crust का ही part है. Student, you are surprised to know that our lithosphere made up of broken pieces of huge land masses, that is known as the lithospheric plate. जो भी आपको कंटिनेंट दिखाई दे रहे हैं, जो भी आपको ओशन दिखाई दे रहे हैं, ये सभी जो है लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट है. अगर हम एक एग्जांपल्स को देखें, स्पेस तो नहीं है, अगर नीचे आपको दिखाई दे, यार नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. ओके, ज़्यादा उत्तर नहीं है. चलो देखते हैं, एक एग्जांपल दे देते हैं. अभी हम आपको लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट बता देंगे कि हमारा लिथोस्फीयर जो है वो ब्रेकन इनटू न्यूमरस broken pieces of huge landmass, that is the lithosphere. And you know that behind the crust there is a mantle, and mantle is full of molten magma which is in aqueous form. They are used fire. So when fire is there, no doubt energy also involved in this molten magma. So this lithospheric plate on the surface of molten magma, and when molten magma move around on the surface of the molten magma, lithospheric plate is there. So lithospheric plate also moves slowly due to the movement of molten magma. But you are surprised to see that, if you say that our surface is move each and every moment, then we can't feel it. How it possible? Absolutely right. This moment is very slow. You can say that within a few years, the moment of lithospheric plate just few millimeter, or in the decade, the moment of lithospheric plate just few inches. So that cannot be realized the moment of lithospheric plate, because it is a very slow movement. So here, movement of the earth, and what does it cause the changes of the earth? As the video proceeds, you will understand it better. The whole lithosphere is broken into number of plates. Number of plates. For example, एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. सपोज कर लो कि दिस इज आवर लिथोस्फीयर, या आर्ट को ही देख लें, टॉप लेयर हम देख लेंगे. एंड दिस लिथोस्फीयर broken into numerous huge masses of land. They have the boundaries, and these are irregular shape. Some is so large, some is so small also. Our country is situated on the Indo-Australian lithospheric plate. Similar, you can find the other major countries lie on which lithosphere plates. मैं आपको एक बता देता हूं कि हमारी जो कंट्री है उस जो प्लेट पे है उसको कहते हैं इंडो ऑस्ट्रेलियन लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट्स. सो दिस प्लेट मूव अराउंड स्लोली, एज आई टोल्ड, बहुत ही स्लोली मूव करता है. सो दिस मोमेंट ड्यू टू द मोमेंट ऑफ मोल्टन magma which is situated inside of our earth, that is behind the crust. So movement is because of the molten magma inside the earth. कि अर्थ के अंदर जो मोल्टेन magma है उसके मूवमेंट के कारण ही ये लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट जो है स्लोली मूवमेंट करते हैं. अब इसका रीजन क्या आता है ये हम आगे देखेंगे. मोमेंट ऑफ मोल्टेन magma cause changes. अब ये मोमेंट ऑफ मोल्टेन magma cause changes, परिवर्तन लाते हैं. How? कैसे? Over the surface of the earth. कहाँ पे? Where they live, that means surface of the earth. That is realized. Okay. Moment are divided on the basis of forces. चलो थोड़ी सी साइंस भी इंक्लूड कर लेते हैं. You know that every moment is happen only when force is there. Either external force, either internal force. Force is there, only then moment is possible. Otherwise, without force, moment is not possible. Okay? If we want to write something, we apply external force on the blackboard to write anything or something. Okay? So ये जो moment हो रहा है, so no doubt इसमें forces work करते हैं. अब ये forces कहाँ से generate होते हैं? From where these forces come? So this force come from the molten magma, because huge molten magma and hot molten magma has energy, and this energy create the forces which cause the movement of the lithospheric plate. And these moments are divided on the basis of forces, and these there are two forces inside our. There are two forces responsible for movement of the lithospheric plate. दो तरह के forces हैं. Number one, endogenic forces, and number second, exogenic. Endogenic and exogenic. Let me explain. So there are two forces responsible for the movement of lithosphatic plate. That is the endogenic and exogenic. Basically endogenic forces. Let me explain the meaning of endogenic and exogenic. Actually, endogenic or exogenic made up of two major parts. If we take the endogenic forces, number one, endo. Endo means inside. And zenic, that means origin. It means which forces origin from the inside of the earth known as endogenic forces. And these forces origin by the energy of molten magma which move around in circular manner slowly inside our earth. Exo means outer, on the surface of the earth, and zenic means origin. तो ऐसे फोर्सेस जो एक्सटर्नल जो बाहर से उत्पन्न होते हैं उनको हम एक्सोजेनिक फोर्सेस कहते हैं. एंड दीज फोर्सेस रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर चेंजिंग आवर अर्थ. हाउ? नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन द endogenic forces. Okay, endogenic forces, the forces which act inside of the earth. ऐसी फोर्सेस जो एक्ट इनसाइड ऑफ द फोर्स इनसाइड ऑफ द अर्थ के इनसाइड वर्क करते हैं नोन एज द एंडोजेनिक फोर्सेस. एंड दिस काज वोल्केनिक इरप्शंस, लैंडस्लाइड एंड अर्थक्वेक. वंस अगेन आई रिपीट दिस वन. एंडोजेनिक फोर्सेस, द फोर्सेस व्हिच एक्ट इनसाइड ऑफ द अर्थ एंड इट कॉज अर्थक्वेक, लैंडस्लाइड एंड वोल्केनिक इरप्शन. Okay, so it creates changes of power, no doubt. And the exogenic forces, the forces act on the surface of the earth. जो act करता है on the surface of the earth. So which type of forces known as the exogenic forces? Must arise the question here? Yes, definitely. Use rain, wind, flood. These are creative forces on the surface of the earth, and such forces changes the moment of change of our earth, and these forces known as the exogenic forces. So I will take here a diagram. Moment of the earth can cause only due to the forces. So we write here forces are two types: endogenic and exogenic. Endogenic forces further we divide into two major groups, that is the sudden forces or sudden movement, and the second one the backtropic movement, or you can say that it is a slow movement. Sudden movement जो forces के कारण होते हैं, it creates across the volcano, earthquake and landslide, which is known as natural disaster. And it cannot be predicted by a person. किसी person द्वारा predict नहीं किया जा सकते. Then we must apply some precaution, and we read the, especially in case of earthquake, we read the behavior of some animal, and we can predict that earthquake must be happen in that areas. But we have no any technology to predict and protect from this natural disaster. We have only precaution to save from this natural disasters. And backtropic, that is the slow changes, slow movement. It creates buildings, mountains. Building mountains कैसे होते हैं, कैसे बनते हैं? Suppose कर लो कि दो lithosphatic plate है and create, and they meet each other at a point. They raise up, it is a very slow changes, and create the mountains. यहाँ हिट किए और यहाँ से changes में this place become the mountains. Slowly they change into mountain. So these are the catastrophic or slow movement of our earth. Now exogenic forces, rain, flood, wind, which erode the soil particle and deposit at a particular place, so it can change our earth. And from this we have some agent, and this agent be air, wind and water. Dear student, in next video we will discuss about earthquake, volcano and landslide, as well as we will discuss a case study which happened in your country on 26 January 2001, that is the earthquake in Bhuj, गुजरात स्टेट, उसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. बट हियर थोड़ा सा आप पढ़ के रखिएगा कि वी कैन मेजर द earthquake on intensity of earthquake can be measured on the Richter scale, and when the intensity of Richter scale on 2.0, it can be a slow earthquake which cannot able to destroy loss property and life. When the intensity of earthquake on Richter scale 5, it is there, can you say that it can damage little bit, but over 6 on Richter scale, it can create a huge damage of life and property. So on 26 January 2001, the earthquake hit in Bhuj. The intensity measured on Richter scale is 6.9, which create a huge destruction of life and property. So I hope you must read about in your notebook for further video, and we will meet in next video. Till then, have a nice day. I hope you like this video and you understand this video. If you have any problem, you must give your suggestion, your complaint in class group WhatsApp, not on personal. Thank you. Have a nice day.